Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you top 3 admin dashboard Anglo 19. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, here is the admin dashboard number 1 Anglo 19. See. Angle 19 built a full stack dashboard. See, here's a dashboard look, and here's the dashboard code as well. Just you need to run two commands npm install and then ng-serve. Then you will go. See, guys, just brilliant, and you will get more temples. And here's the dashboard number 2. See, friends, this one with proper GitHub code as well, npm install and ng-serve. See the dashboard look as well. See, friends. And the dashboard number 3. See this one. See this. Same as GitHub link and to install an ng serve. So guys, this is the top 3 admin dashboard template Angular team. Fully responsive, totally free and fully professional. So guys, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. Here is contact us page. On this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. Yes, also on this blog, you will get the multiple free admin dashboard template as well. See, there are many. See, also multiple e-commerce templates as well. See, guys. And guys, I am full-time freelancer, and if you will have any kind of work, then feel free to contact me anytime. So guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.